It's solutions to Milham's Math 222, quiz number 4. Number 1, the zeros are -4, 1, and 5. -1, 4, -1, -4, 1, and 5. Okay. And then a simple sign chart, picking super big numbers like 100. Clearly positive, positive, positive gives me a positive, so it goes to infinity on this side. -100 gives me negative, negative, negative. So negative infinity on this side. All of these are multiplicity 1, so in each case we will cross the x-axis. So right here, it crosses the x-axis, so it has to go like so. And then here it crosses again, so it has to go down, and then it shoots up toward infinity. Number 2, you're given 2 of the roots being 1 and -2. So using long division, if I divide the original polynomial by x minus 1, I should get no remainder. So x into 3x to the 4th is 3x cubed. 3x cubed times this whole thing now is 3x to the 4th minus 3x cubed. Subtract, that's 0. 8x cubed, bring down to minus 5x squared. Do it again. X times 8x squared gives me 8x cubed. Then take 8x squared times this whole thing, 8x cubed minus 8x squared. Subtract, that cancels out. -5 minus a -8 is positive 3. X squared, bring down to minus 5x. Do it again. X into 3x squared is positive 3x. Multiply 3x by this whole thing. 3x squared minus 3x. Subtract, that cancels out. -5 minus a -3 is -2x. Bring down to 2. X into -2x is a -2. -2x plus 2, and we get no remainder, which is what we're supposed to get. Okay, so now I have this thing. I now take this polynomial and divide by x plus 2. The other solution that they gave me was -2. So I divide by x plus 2. So x into 3x cubed is 3x squared. 3x squared times this whole thing is 3x cubed plus 6x squared. Subtract. That cancels out. 8 minus 6 is 2x squared. Bring down to 3x. X into 2x squared is a 2x. Multiply 2x by this whole thing. 2x squared plus 4x. Subtract. That cancels out. 3 minus 4 is a -1x. Bring down to minus 2. How do I go from x to a -x? -1. -1 times this whole thing is -x minus 2. That all drops out. No remainder. So I'm left with 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. And that can easily be factored into 3x minus 1, x plus 1. So p of x completely factored now is x minus 1, x plus 2, 3x minus 1, x plus 1. Alternatively, by synthetic division, it's a lot faster. Just put the coefficients 3, 5, -5, -5, 2, 3, 5, -5, -5, 2. And instead of putting x minus 1, just put 1. And then bring down to 3, and then multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add, and so on. So 1 times 3 is 3, 5 plus 3 is 8. 1 times 8 is 8. Add this up 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Add -2. 1 times -2 is -2. Add them up, you get 0. This gives me 3x cubed plus 8x squared plus 3x minus 2, which is exactly what we got over here. And then by synthetic division, I'll put down -2. So 3 comes down. 3 times -2 is -6. Add, you get 2. Multiply, -4. Add -1. Multiply 2. Add 0, as we expect. So again, to read this, you get 3x squared plus 2x minus 1, and etc., which is exactly the same thing as you got over here. All right, so that was quiz number 4 of Math 222.